Smart school. A smart school is where advanced equipments and technology are used to take the educational process forward in an interactive way. Some of the features of smart school are as follows. Easy access to information. Paper is replaced by digital documents. Easy to maintain students' data and lectures. Brief and better understanding of topics through digital documents. Interactive teaching environment. Effective learning. Providing notes on a digital medium. Recorded lectures for the students. We use education as a means to develop minds that are capable of expanding and leveraging the knowledge pool. AI provides the tools for developing a more accurate and detailed picture of how the human mind works. Thus, AI is an important prospect of education in schools. Some of the examples in which AI is being pioneered and applied in school are smart content. Smart content creation, from digitized guides of textbooks to customizable digital learning interfaces, are being introduced at all levels, from elementary to post-secondary to corporate environments. Intelligent tutoring systems. Personalized electronic tutoring is customized to the learning styles and preferences of the students. It uses cognitive science and AI technology to provide personalized or group tutoring and real-time feedback for students. Paving new learning pathway. In schools, education is largely ruled by human-to-human interaction. AI is therefore being integrated to develop the necessary human-like attributes of responsiveness, adaptability, and understanding. AI has ability to analyze large amounts of real-time data, for example, a student's performance in a particular skill across subjects over the course of a year, and automatically providing new solutions for specified issues help meet our students' need for continual targeted improvements. AI also allows a teacher to better understand a student's performance and devise more effective personalized learning plans.